Building a bond with a new hedgehog takes patience and consistency. Everything around it is unfamiliar at first, including you, so it needs time to feel safe and learn to trust you. Take things slowly, let your hedgehog get used to your presence, and spend a little time with it each day to create a calm, healthy connection. Bonding through touch. Wash your hands before handling your hedgehog, and try to use the same soap each time so it gets used to your scent. Avoid wearing gloves, since your hedgehog needs to smell you to feel more comfortable. If you do not want to use bare hands, use the same blanket each time and wash it with the same detergent. Pick up your hedgehog gently by placing your hands on both sides and carefully scooping it up so it feels supported and safe. It is best to lift your hedgehog when it is belly down, and you can hold it in your hands or let it rest on your lap. It may curl into a ball at first, which is normal. Avoid handling it right after eating, touching strong smells, or handling another animal, since it may not recognize your scent and could become upset. Give your hedgehog time to relax and unroll at its own pace. You can let it rest under a blanket or on your lap, so it starts to feel safe and comfortable with you. Always be gentle and patient, since rushing can hurt your bond. Quiet activities like watching TV while your hedgehog rests can help it get used to your presence. Pet your hedgehog gently from head to tail, following the direction of its quills. Going the other way can feel uncomfortable for both of you. When your hedgehog is relaxed, its quills will lie flat, but if it feels threatened, they will stand up and feel sharper. Go slowly, especially while it is still learning to trust you. Bonding through scent. Place a t-shirt you have worn in your hedgehog's cage so it can get used to your scent and connect it with safety. This can help your hedgehog feel more comfortable with you over time. Do not wash the shirt first and make sure it doesn't have any loose threads. Sleep with a fleece blanket for a few nights so it picks up your scent, then place it in your hedgehog's sleeping area. This can help your hedgehog feel safer and more familiar with you. Fleece is a good choice because it is soft and less likely to have loose threads. Be careful with new scents around your hedgehog. New lotion, perfume, or soap can confuse it because it may not recognize your usual smell. Try to stay consistent with the products you use, since strong or unfamiliar scents may either irritate your hedgehog or make it react in unusual ways. Bonding through sound. Talk to your hedgehog whenever you hold, feed, or care for it, so it becomes familiar with your voice. Use a calm, gentle tone to help it connect your voice with safety and comfort. You can also talk to your hedgehog while giving treats, so it starts to associate your voice with positive experiences. Play soft music in the background to help your hedgehog feel calm and comfortable. Gentle music can make it easier for your hedgehog to adjust to its surroundings and feel less startled by sudden sounds. Just keep the volume low and pay attention to how your hedgehog reacts so you can tell what makes it feel relaxed. Introduce new sounds to your hedgehog slowly so it does not feel overwhelmed. Let it adjust to one sound at a time, whether that's your voice, the TV, or other noises in the house. This can help your hedgehog feel calmer and more comfortable as it gets used to its environment. And understanding your hedgehog's personality. Learn the signs that your hedgehog feels scared or threatened so you can respond the right way. Common signs include raised quills, huffing, hissing, biting, curling into a ball, or shaking. If you notice these behaviors, try to calm your hedgehog by being gentle, speaking softly, or giving it some space. A snuggler is a hedgehog that enjoys relaxing, cuddling, and spending time in your lap. This type usually likes being handled and enjoys lots of interaction, which can make it a great choice for a first-time hedgehog owner. An explorer is a hedgehog that prefers moving around and checking things out instead of sitting still and cuddling. If your hedgehog has this personality, bonding during playtime may work best. Watch closely, speak gently, and let it explore safely. Many explorer hedgehogs also enjoy walking across your hands as you move them one in front of the other. A shy hedgehog is usually quiet and not very social. It may not hiss or curl up when you hold it, but it often prefers staying in its cage and doesn't need a lot of interaction. A grumpy hedgehog usually prefers being left alone and may ball up or hiss when handled. With patience, gentle care, and regular bonding, it may become more comfortable with you over time. Thanks for watching.